on Wall Street in 7 months, brand new record highs. And as you mentioned, Pfizer's announcement a vaccine could be approved before year end with 90% efficacy means the U.S. economy could reopen sooner than expected. And we could get back to traveling like we used to. Airlines recovering on the optimism. U.S. Airlines laid off more than 30,000 last month while losing billions of dollars. Save for cruise lines. Norwegian warning earlier this year that it may struggle to survive. Hotels and casinos getting some relief as well. 2020 is set to be the worst year on record for hotel occupancy. COVID is roughly 9 times worse than 9/11 for the travel industry, according to one analysis. So as money goes back into travel names, money is coming out of lockdown winners, those that did well as people worked in schools from home. So think of Peloton, Zoom, which is now in our everyday language, DocuSign, Netflix, and Shopify. Now, stock markets coming off the best election week since 1932, and Wall Street will believe that a likely divided government will mean less regulation and lower taxes. Now, in nearly a century, divided and unified governments have resulted in similar gains for the S&P 500. But what is the best type of divided government for Wall Street? Well, history tells us that a Democrat in the White House with a Democrat Senate and Republican-controlled House has actually outperformed in nearly a century. Second best is a GOP controlling both the White House and the Senate with a Democratic-led House. Now, interesting that this year, Neil, that we're likely looking at a Democrat in the White House and control of the House, while Republicans will likely have control of the Senate. And that's the first time in nearly a century that that scenario is playing out. Isn't that interesting, Neil?
Yeah, combine that with the vaccine news, and it was a nice 1-2 punch.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.